Guys, another very important video right now. The topic of this particular video is that why people don't buy from you. So there are certain people still think that why people are not buying from me. So I think the only reason why people don't buy from you, whatever the product and services which you are selling right now, is that they don't trust you, right? So in order to make them trust in your product and services, you need to provide as much as value you can to them. And when I say provide value, so I think I mean by providing the value to them for free also, because certain times people are not sure enough that they wanted to do business with you, or maybe they wanted to work with you in the longer period of time. They are not sure about it, right? So when you provide them the free stuff in that time, they try to understand, okay, let me work with Shivam, and once I work with Shivam, then I will be able to understand, okay, what are the things which he is doing right now and how he's gonna help me. If he's providing the right kind of a value, if he's providing his services is genuine, then definitely I will try to be with him. So that's how you need to provide value to the people. And once you are able to provide the value to the people, then only you can able to sell your product and services very well. This is very very important to understand, that business is all about providing values, right? If you are not providing value to the people, in that time people are not going to trust you, they are not going to do business with you. So providing value to the people is very very important when you are selling something online or offline. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is the only reason why people are not buying from you. Thank you so much. Take care.